The other really, really important fact when it comes to investing your money, and it's especially investing it wisely, is to understanding your risk. When I say risk, what I mean by that is you want to clearly understand what is your stomach for losing money. That's what risk means. Risk means, in the sense of financial risk, is what are you prepared to lose? Because when it comes to investments, they're not guaranteed. Investments don't have FDIC insurance. When you put your money in an investment, whether it's a mutual fund or a stock, they go up and down. They can fluctuate. You could lose money. So that's why you have to, very, very important that you spend the appropriate time to analyze and understand your risk. So any good financial advisor, any good financial planner would really sit down, spend ample time to help you understand what your risk would be. And in case of Morningstar, again, you can go look at analyze mutual funds, and it will tell you, it will give you 3 scenarios of the mutual fund's worst performances in any given 3 months. So let's just say you have a fund that's been around over 10 years. It will tell you, in a worst, let's say in 2007 when the market went down, or 2008, this fund, has gone down, historically speaking, as much as 30%. And then, in a good market, it's gone up as much. So it will show you the best performance and the worst performance of the fund. And at least you can understand, look, if I were to put $10,000 in this fund, and in a worst performance period, and 10,000 would have been worth $6,000 or $6,500, how would I feel about it? Think about it. You put $10,000 into an investment vehicle, and markets go down, or some crazy something happens, some crazy dictator decides to, throw a nuclear, something on another country, or a war is happening, or any other reasons where the markets react very negatively to it, or we're going through a recession. Those investments can go down, and they can also go up. Obviously, over a long period of time, they do go up, but you have to be prepared for the fact that they are going to be zigzagging. They are going to be fluctuating. So understanding your risk, and understanding what you're willing to lose in order to make money, and understanding also, analyzing what's more important. Is making money more important, or is not losing your principal more important? And that will dictate what kind of investments you want to be doing. Also, sometimes just keeping up with inflation is all someone wants to accomplish, and that's okay. But remember, when you put your money in the bank that's earning you only 1% or less than 1%, in reality, the reality is you're actually losing money. Think about it. If the inflation rate, cost of living goes up, or I'll give you a perfect example. My children went to camp 2 years ago before COVID, and that was $1,600. And now I went to sign up for the camp, and then the price has gone up to $2,150. $2,150, a huge jump. And I have 3 children. I called and complained, by the way. I said, I don't understand. And they were like, well, the prices have gone up, the costs have gone up, the food's more expensive. And the sad truth is, prices have gone up, but the salaries have not gone up. And that is what inflation is. Inflation is when the cost of living goes up. Cost of milk goes up, cost of a bus ticket goes up, cost of subway or gas goes up. And on average, inflation on a yearly basis goes up by 3 or 4%. So if you have your money in the bank, and that money is just sitting there, and that money is not earning at least 3%, that means that you are actually losing money. Okay, I hope that makes sense. By the way, ask me any questions you want, shoot me an email, send in comments, any questions at all. There are no bad questions, there are no wrong questions, there are always good questions. So anything that I'm talking about, anything that you do not understand, or anything that you want more explanations of, please tell me, please let me know, because I'm here to help.